Hi, welcome to IWS Motor Coaches and our presentation on this 2018 Renegade Verona. It is the LE Edition 40 LTS. This is a brilliantly designed motor coach with plenty to offer. We're going to take a little bit of a high view here to give you a really good look at the roof structure on this Renegade Verona LE. Renegade has done a fantastic job in designing the roof. It is a walk-on roof. All of the components mounted are cleanly fitted to the roof with no chance of leak. As we go across, you can see we have some features. This is equipped with 2 air conditioners. These are 15,000 BTU air conditioners. It has a Winegard in-motion satellite system. As you can see by the dome, it has several vents, and it has a roof-mounted awning. But a nice radius finished corners and rear cap assembly give super clean lines to this coach. The Renegade Verona has an aero cap design on the front, which really resonates well with most RV buyers. What sets this coach apart from the rest of Renegade's Verona line is that it is a 3-slide coach. 2 of the slides are mounted towards the front, and this gives expanded width in the living quarters and kitchen area. It really does make this coach feel extremely roomy. The paint that you see on this coach is superbly done. It carries through along the sides of the slide. When you rub your hand along the outside of this coach, you don't feel the lines in the transitions between the paint. It is done extremely well. As we focus here on the curb side of the coach, we've extended the awning to give you a good perspective of the coverage that this roof-mounted awning gives. Now, the roof-mounted awning is important on this coach because you do have 2 slides on this side, and Renegade designed this so that you got nice coverage under the awning when the slide is out. Here on the driver's side of the coach, we'll extend the slide to give you a good perspective of the room that is achieved on this side. Now, this slide out is going to go out just a little bit further than the one on the curb side. And this is again by design to help give ample space inside the coach. Again, as you notice the lines on the paintwork on this, they match up along the side of the coach with the ends of the slide outs. This is craftsmanship. Now we're going to take a little bit of time, focus on the driver's side of this coach. Now we're going to see the compartments opened on this side. This is the utility side of the coach. First, we'll cover the battery box, where the chassis batteries and the house batteries are stored. Here, you'll see the Renegade Verona comes standard with 2 8D batteries. These are the house batteries. These are the big heavy-duty batteries that'll provide power for your coach. And the 2 batteries on the left are the chassis batteries for the Freightliner chassis. All the mechanical work inside this compartment is first class. You can see the protective coating on all the terminal fittings and the quality components that are used in all the terminal ends. All the wiring is wire loomed. Just a superb job by Renegade. And this compartment is also protected with a ceramic coating inside. Just aft of the battery compartment, we come to the inverter and the auto generator start module. Now, this is a carpeted compartment, and this can be used for some storage. The next 2 doors contain the gray tank and the black tank. Both these tanks are 75 gallons apiece. They're blanketed and they have heat strips. And since this coach is equipped with the AquaHot 450D system, there is also a heat exchanger in this compartment to keep this area warm. Now, something to mention that'll be standard along all these compartments as we move along through this series is the door closures that are added. This is a standard feature on the Renegade Verona LE. Now, just forward of the driver's side rear axle is the water management bay panel access. And as we move along, you'll notice all of the compartment doors on the Verona LE are side swing doors. These are double walled doors with heavy duty latch mechanisms. These doors are going to last forever. Within this compartment, you'll find a number of different features that really make life simple for serving the water systems in this coach. This coach is equipped with a spray away hose, which is the blue coiled hose. It is equipped with a power water hose reel. This is an absolutely useful convenience for the owner. The black and gray tank dump handles are located here. These are remote handles that will operate the gate valves on the drain lines for the black and gray tank. And then a simple green handle there that you position to your tank fill or your city water usage. And within this compartment, we also have the water filter house. And this is a whole house filtration system, currently in a winterized state, which is why you see the blue bowl separated from its connection. Just after the rear axle in this large compartment on the driver's side is the Cummins Onan 8000 kW quiet diesel generator. This is a reliable generator meant for years of use, easy to service, and it has its own controls right here to start the generator from the outside. Easy to access oil fill port and dipstick, generator meter. There is a circuit breaker that's right here, easy to access on the generator. The Cummins 8 kW generator can supply power to both air conditioners and the microwave and the cooktop and still have power to spare, so you're well covered with this generator's capacities. Now the last compartment, just after the generator, is where your shore cord is kept and your transfer switch. The shore cord on this coach is a power wind reel, making it super convenient for the owner in extending and retracting this shore cord. The power switch is conveniently located and firmly mounted to the rear wall for long service life, which will automatically take care of the power handoffs between the generator and shore power and vice versa. Now we're going to cover some of the features within the compartments here on the curb side of the coach. First, we'll start with the forward compartment, which contains the AquaHot 450D system. Now this AquaHot system, purpose for this coach is for heating and also endless hot water, heating of your hot water system. It has a number of other benefits and features also, and we'll talk about it in a little bit more detail as we move along here. So the system itself is self-contained here in the forward compartment. This is a diesel burner with electric capability for heating a glycol mixture that is moved to different registers throughout the coach. Warming of these registers, aided by the assist of fans, blows the warm air into the coach, giving nice even distribution of heat throughout the coach. Now this system is capable of heating hot water instantly within, whether it operates via diesel or the electric function. When it operates on diesel, it uses fuel from the chassis fuel tank, but it will not take your fuel tank dry. As the unit heats up the glycol mixture, which you can see here, it moves it through these hoses up into the coach to 2 registers beneath the bed and several located as you move forward into the coach. Now the AquaHot system is truly unique because there are heat exchangers at different locations in the coach. There's a heat exchanger over in the water management bay compartment. That is, this coolant is routed through that heat exchanger, heat radiates off to warm that compartment. Also, there is an exchanger for the engine system as well, so it hands off heat to your engine coolant, giving you a warm engine start on days where you might be concerned with that. Another benefit of the AquaHot 450 system is that the engine's coolant system through the heat exchanger can warm the coolant mixture for the AquaHot, meaning you don't have to run the AquaHot burner on diesel or electric mode to warm your coach. This is a truly unique and brilliant design of the AquaHot 450D system. One more item to mention about the AquaHot 450D system is that it has an easy service fuel filter that's mounted in the same compartment as the AquaHot unit itself. Now the rest of the compartments along the curbside of this coach are straight up storage compartments. They're all carpeted. These are all steel compartments. They all have LED lighting that can be controlled from one switch inside the coach or individually within the compartment themselves. Several of these compartments are equipped with 110 outlets for convenience, and a few other features like the slide controllers in a protective cover, access ports to run an extension cord into, but these are all spacious compartments and they're all heavy duty. One of the features we chose to equip this coach with is the optional central vacuum system. The vacuum assembly itself is mounted in the last compartment here on the curbside of the coach, and all of the attachments can store conveniently inside this blue mesh storage bag. And it's an easy service vacuum system. Right here from the compartment, just remove the cover, change the bag, and away you go. As we mentioned earlier, this coach has a rooftop awning that extends out quite a ways, and that'll be needed when you decide you want to sit down out here and watch this outside entertainment system with a 32-inch HD television. This is a wonderful system. It's equipped with a AM/FM CD stereo, which also doubles as a DVD player. So you can watch a movie when you're outside, watch the big game, because this TV is also going to be connected to the satellite system inside. The Renegade Verona LE rides upon the Freightliner M2 106 chassis. This is a wonderful chassis, proven through years of use in the commercial industry. It's durable, and it'll give this coach a tremendous long life. The chassis itself is over 34,000 gross vehicle weight rating and has a gross combined rating of 60,000 pounds. And Renegade has done a great job of matching these fender flares onto Freightliner's hood, really give it a nice finish, and also added the side bullet cameras. We've come to realize our owners want to be in touch with their coach, and getting in touch with the engine on this is a breeze. You just remove two simple latches, roll the hood forward, and inside you'll find this durable Cummins ISL, now termed the L9 engine. It's an 8.9 liter Cummins, 350 horsepower with 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. This is a commercial industry setting meant for long life. Over 500,000 miles of life on this engine is certainly to be expected. But everything is within easy reach for the owner to be able to check your fluid quantity, status of your belt, everything that you want to know about your engine is easily accessible right there under the hood. Also worth mentioning is the transmission in this coach is the Allison 3000 World Automatic. Simple to use, extremely durable, and reliable. Now as we move to the rear of the coach, you can see the beautifully designed rear cap that Renegade has matched up for the Verona LE series. Stylish design that encompasses a rear view camera, high mounted right up near the top of the coach. LED brake, turn, and tail lights, some rear area lights, also LED, a 20,000-pound hitch, and a full-width rear mud flap. Really give this coach a nice, luxurious feel. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video walk-around of this 2018 Renegade Verona LE. It's a wonderful coach. Beautifully designed by Renegade. We're happy to have it in our inventory and even more excited and looking forward to its new owner coming and taking a test drive. Now, if you haven't seen our interior video of this coach, please take a moment to do that.